Friends, I am Yashar from Indonesia. It is nice to see you again. This time, I will present the article Comparison between Cloud and Rain Model Universe and Big Bang Theory. Besides presenting the comparison between Cloud and Rain Model Universe and Big Bang Theory, this article also presents the different interpretation between the two models against cases of Hubble's law, dark matter CMB, dark flow, lattice JWST discovery, and other space observation. Big Bang Theory in short words. Around 13.7 billion years ago, everything in the entire universe was condensed in an infinitesimally small singularity, a point of infinite denseness and heat. Suddenly, an explosive expansion began, ballooning our universe outward faster than the speed of light. The Big Bang is not an explosion of matter moving outward to fill an empty universe. Instead, space itself expands with time everywhere and increases the physical distance between co-moving points. In other words, the Big Bang is not an explosion in space, but rather an expansion of space. The main foundation of Big Bang Theory are Einstein's special relativity equation, Hubble's law, and CMB. Cloud and Rain Model Universe is a model of the universe structure where galaxy clusters have characters like cloud on our sky, and center of the universe is located at southern constellation Centaurus and Hydra. This center is based on signal by dark flow claimed by Alexander Kaslinsky and his collaborators in 2008. The cycle of the space of the universe is by continuous constructing and developing of stars, galaxies, and galaxy clusters, and vanishing galaxies or galaxy clusters. The galaxies to get vanished is due to condensing and galaxies crash. The vanished galaxies split back toward universe cores due to gravity of the universe core like rain on our Earth. The foundation of Cloud and Rain Model Universe are pattern facts of nature, concept of compressed matter, and the derivation of Newton's gravity equation. F equal G times D1 times D2 times M1 times M2 divided T1 times T2 times R squared. So, Cloud and Rain Model Universe isn't stand-alone. It is tightly bound with the three foundations above. Difference between the two models. 1. Pattern. Big Bang Theory is started by the idea of hypothesis of the primeval atom by George Lemaitre, atomic nucleus, and Big Bang nucleosynthesis by George Gamow. Meanwhile, Cloud and Rain Model Universe is like its name, refer to the pattern of cloud and the Earth. Cloud and Rain Model Universe is a model of the universe structure where galaxy clusters have characters like cloud on our sky, and center of the universe is located at southern constellation Centaurus and Hydra. This center is based on signal by dark flow claimed by Alexander Kaslinsky and his collaborators in 2008. 2. Foundation. The foundations of Big Bang Theory are Einstein's special relativity equation, Hubble's law, and CMB. The foundation of Cloud and Rain Model Universe are pattern facts of nature, concept of compressed matter, and the derivation of Newton's gravity equation, F equal G times D1 times D2 times M1 times M2 divided T1 times T2 times R squared. 3. Observed universe. Big Bang Theory, with its first prediction that the age of the universe is 13.8 billion years, assume that we have observed almost all of the entire universe. Meanwhile, Cloud and Rain Model Universe expect that we just get the observation of space at about less than or much less than 20% of the entire universe. 4. Universe core. Big Bang Theory has no center. Although the Big Bang is often described as an explosion, that's a misleading image. In an explosion, fragments are flung out from a central point into a pre-existing space. If you were at the central point, you would see all the fragments moving away from you at roughly the same speed. But the Big Bang wasn't like that. It was an expansion of space itself, a concept that comes out of Einstein's equation of general relativity but has no counterpart in the classical physics of everyday life. It means that all the distance in the universe are stretching out at the same rate. Cloud and Rain model universe is a model of the universe structure where galaxy clusters have characters like cloud on our sky, and center of the universe is located at southern constellation Centaurus and Hydra. The center is based on signal by dark flow claimed by Alexander Kaslinsky and his collaborators in 2008. 5 edges of the universe. Based on measurement of the expansion using type La supernova and measurement of temperature fluctuation in the cosmic microwave background, the time that has passed since that event, known as the age of the universe, is 13.8 billion years. According to Cloud and Rain model universe, the age of the universe is infinite. 6. Space expanding. The universe continued expansion. The universe is not only expanding but expanding faster. This means that with time, nobody will be able to spot other galaxies from Earth or any other vantage point within our galaxy. We will see distant galaxies moving away from us, but their speed is increasing with time. There isn't any space expanding idea in Cloud and Rain model universe. Cloud and Rain model universe express that the universe structure is just like cloud and the Earth. According to Cloud and Rain model universe, friends get space expanding concept by only less than 20% observation data of the entire universe. The case which Big Bang theory assumes the space to expand is the case as follows. If we release thousands of balloons from one area at the Earth to spread out to the air, every balloon will recede from each other with the receding velocity increase by increasing the distance. 7. Dark matter. Dark matter is a hypothetical form of matter thought to account for approximately 85% of the matter in the universe. Dark matter is called dark because it doesn't appear to interact with the electromagnetic field, which means it doesn't absorb, reflect, or emit electromagnetic radiation and is therefore difficult to detect. Various astrophysical observations, including gravitational effects, which cannot be explained by currently accepted theories of gravity unless more matter is present than can be seen, imply dark matter presence. For this reason, most experts think that dark matter is abundant in the universe and has had a strong influence on its structure and evolution. The primary evidence for dark matter comes from calculations showing that many galaxies would behave quite differently if they didn't contain a large amount of unseen matter. Some galaxies would not have formed at all and others would not move as they currently do. Nevertheless, Big Bang theory has no one final conclusion about what is really dark matter. There are many debates about dark matter in Big Bang theory. On the other hand, Cloud and Rain model universe express about dark matter as follows. Dark matter is the spreading of micro-sized compressed matter particles in interstellar and intergalaxies. And Cloud and Rain model universe claim that compressed matter is the matter where there is no space in the entire matter. 8. CMB, Cosmic Microwave Background. In Big Bang theory, the cosmic microwave background CMB is leftover radiation from the Big Bang, or the time when the universe began. As the theory goes, when the universe was born, it underwent rapid inflation, expansion, and cooling. The universe began 13.8 billion years ago, and the CMB dates back to about 400,000 years after the Big Bang. That's because in the early state of the universe, when it was just 1/100 millionth the size it is today, its temperature was extreme, 273 million degrees above absolute zero, according to NASA. The maps give rise to new mysteries, however, such as why the southern hemisphere appears slightly redder or warmer than the northern hemisphere. The Big Bang theory says that the CMB would be mostly the same no matter where you look. Precise measurement of the CMB are critical to cosmology, since any proposed model of the universe must explain this radiation. The CMB has a thermal blackbody spectrum at a temperature of 2.72548 plus minus 0.00057 degree Kelvin. Then, what is Cloud and Rain model universe statement regarding this CMB? Well, Cloud and Rand model universe answer about CMB as follows. CMB is the trace of dark matter dynamics, while dark matter is the spreading of microsize of compressed matter in space. Refer to the equation F equal G times D1 times D2 times M1 times M2 divide T1 times T2 times R square. Dark matter only exists at extreme low temperature or nearing 0 degree Kelvin. Since CMB is the trace of dark matter dynamics, then that is, Cloud and Rand model universe note about temperature CMB 2.73 degree Kelvin. According to Cloud and Rand model universe, southern hemisphere really must appear slightly redder or warmer than the northern hemisphere. It is because the location of the universe core at southern constellation Centaurus and Hydra. This situation has equality pattern with atmosphere of our Earth. The farther the location from the Earth, the colder it will be. Indications of CMB to be the trace of dark matter dynamics are: temperature of CMB is 2.73 degree Kelvin. This is matching with the expected temperature of dark matter as compressed matter, which is nearly 0 degree Kelvin. CMB and dark matter is existing in the entire space. In the measurement of galaxies and clusters, scientists have used kinematic Sunyaev-Zel'dovich or KSZ effect in CMB. Although the dark flow probably isn't real, cosmologists have used the KSZ effect to detect galaxy motions on large scale. Meanwhile, we have noticed that dark matter has been hypothesized based on its important role in galaxies' dynamics. In short, in Big Bang theory, the cosmic microwave background CMB is leftover radiation from the Big Bang, or the time when the universe began. As the theory goes, when the universe was born, it underwent rapid inflation, expansion, and cooling. Cloud and Rand model universe answers about CMB as follows. CMB is the trace of dark matter dynamics, while dark matter is the spreading of microsize of compressed matter in space. 9. Dark flow. The following is script from NASA Goddard Mysterious Cosmic Dark Flow Track Deeper into the Universe. Disclaimer: this material is being kept online for historical purpose. Though accurate at the time of publication, it is no longer being updated. The page may contain broken links or outdated information, and parts may not function in current web browsers. Distant galaxy clusters mysteriously stream at 1,000,000 miles per hour along a path roughly centered on the southern constellation Centaurus and Hydra. A new study led by Alexander Koslinski at NASA Goddard Space Flight Center in Greenbelt tracked this collective motion, dubbed the dark flow, to twice the distance originally reported. This is not something we set out to find, but we cannot make it go away, Koslinski said. Now we see that it persists to much greater distance, as far as 2.5 billion light years away. The new study appears in the March 20 issue of the Astrophysical Journal Letters. The clusters appear to be moving along a line extending from our solar system towards Centaurus and Hydra, but the direction of this motion is less certain. Evidence indicates that the clusters are headed outward along this path, away from Earth, but the team cannot yet rule out the opposite flow. We detect motion along this axis, but right now our data cannot state as strongly as we would like whether the clusters are coming or going, Koslinski said. The dark flow is controversial because the distribution of matter in the observed universe cannot account for it. Its existence suggests that some structure beyond the visible universe outside our horizon is pulling on matter in our vicinity. Cosmologists regard the microwave background, a flash of light emitted 380,000 years after the universe formed, as the ultimate cosmic reference frame. Relative to it, all large-scale motion should show no preferred direction. And the following is script from dark flow to beyond our universe. These clusters of massive galaxies that we are but insignificant specks in are constantly moving away from each other as the universe expands, which we know is occurring according to the Big Bang theory. Our observable universe theoretically is only 13.7 billion light years, as that is when the universe formed. By the theory of Hubble flow, as the universe continues to expand beyond its current 13.7 billion light years in size, the expansion should be equal in all directions. However, astrophysicists studying a CMB, cosmic microwave background map, the remaining radiation from the Big Bang that invisibly coats the universe, discovered that paths of galaxies seem to be moving at high speed toward a point beyond the perceivable universe. This has been referred to as dark flow. Astronomers have been debating for years over whether or not dark flow is real, and if so, what the cause of it would be. Those that do not believe in it have solid reasoning. The distribution of matter in the universe doesn't account for it. But those who believe it is occurring are continuing to document and study this supposed phenomenon. There are multiple different theories about possible cause. One idea is that some mass that existed before cosmic inflation, when the universe expanded beyond its original compressed state, made such an immense impact on the matter of our universe that some galaxy clusters are still drawn to it. Regardless of what caused it, many astronomers today do agree that studying CMB maps show parts of giant clusters of galaxies moving approximately 2 million miles per hour towards a point between the constellation Centaurus and Hydra. While this would not be significant normally, they are moving in a direction that is separate and different from the direction of the expansion of the universe. A spread theory of invasion of the universe posits that the universe we observe is only a small bubble of space-time that got rapidly expanded after the Big Bang, and that there could be other parts of outer space beyond our bubble that we are unable to see. In these regions beyond the bubble, space-time could be entirely different from how we experience it. In addition, it most likely would not have stars or galaxies, possibly containing supermassive structure that would be much larger than anything in our universe. Scientists who support this theory believe that these supermassive structures are the cause for dark flow, pulling galaxy clusters from outside our bubble. A study on dark flow led by NASA's Goddard Space Flight Center's Alexander Kaslinsky, which includes researchers and equipment from universities around the world, has been occurring for a little over a decade. Since 2008, Atrio Barandella, an associate and research colleague of Kaslinsky, has stated that the study has provided significant evidence to the existence of dark flow. The researchers are currently working to expand their catalog of galaxy clusters in order to track the dark flow to about twice the current distance. This could be an interesting study to continue watching, as continued proof of dark flow may encourage other researchers to look into not only dark flow, but how the universe existed before inflation, or the Big Bang, and what may exist beyond our bubble. In short, a spread theory of invasion of the universe posits that the universe we observe is only a small bubble of space-time that got rapidly expanded after the Big Bang, and that there could be other parts of outer space beyond our bubble that we are unable to see. In these regions beyond the bubble, space-time could be entirely different from how we experience it. In addition, it most likely would not have stars or galaxies, possibly containing supermassive structure that would be much larger than anything in our universe. Scientists who support this theory believe that these supermassive structures are the cause for dark flow, pulling galaxy clusters from outside our bubble. See how puzzling this dark flow for Big Bang theory. So the most easiest way is to neglect it. But as a model that having universe core to be a center of gravity of the whole one universe, cloud and rain model universe is easily and happily answered that this dark flow has directed us toward the universe's core with its southern constellation Centaurus and Hydra. 10. Most latest discovery. These are several samples. Please watch this on YouTube. New Big Bang Theory. James Webb discovers 750 galaxies outside the universe. NASA Space Information. And the following, also on YouTube. James Webb Telescope just detected 750 galaxies beyond the observable universe. And this is the text from the description. James Webb Telescope just detected 750 galaxies beyond the observable universe. Physicists say that the universe originated in an event known as the Big Bang approximately 13.7 billion years ago. However, the question arises, what caused that explosion and why did it occurred. Over time, extensive research and studies of our universe have pointed to the Big Bang as the predominant explanation for everything we have observed. Countless studies and thousands of scientists have supported the Big Bang theory as the main explanation for how the universe was formed. According to this theory, dark energy is a form of energy even more abundant than galactic energy and is considered the anti-gravitational force responsible for the continued expansion of the universe since the Big Bang. Science today is very different from what it was in the past, and with technological advance, new theories emerge. Often we discover that things we once believed to be absolutely true are far from it. Michio Kaku has raised the possibility of debunking the Big Bang. This is because the James Webb Telescope has detected 750 new galaxies that look nothing like what was expected. This raised a new perspective and led us to delve deeper into how the James Webb Telescope is changing our understanding of the universe as a whole. Join us on this incredible journey beyond the far reach of the observable universe to discover more details about the immense number of new galaxies that have been discovered. Then this is the answer from Cloud and Rain Model Universe regarding the above articles. Actually, before this 750 galaxies discovery, there are many important discoveries like Huge LQG Large Quasar Group in early 2013, Hercules Corona Borealis Great Wall in November 2013, and JWST discovery of 6 galaxies from the beginning of the universe in 2023. With since those discoveries, I have claimed that Cloud and Rain Model Universe is the answer of such discoveries. That is because those discoveries are against the age of the universe 13.8 billion years. All of those discoveries are harmonious with Cloud and Rain Model Universe, which is infinite. 11. Over 700 trillion stars suddenly vanished. Now something emerged. Over 700 trillion stars suddenly vanished. Now something emerged. So for the most distant galaxies, we can almost go back to the Big Bang. Imagine looking at the night sky and finding it empty. There are no stars, no galaxies, only darkness. What if we told you that this is more than just a thought? What if we told you that more than 700 trillion stars have disappeared from Earth, confusing scientists and surprising the world? But wait, there is more. Something came out of the void, empty, empty. This is not a cosmic mystery, but this discovery will challenge everything we previously believed about the universe. We will embark on an adventure into the depth of space where the impossible becomes possible and the unexpected become reality. Are you ready to go to unknown time and place? Join us as we unravel the mystery of how more than 700 trillion stars suddenly disappeared and the extraordinary consequences that followed. Astronomers believe that light in the sky is static and doesn't move for long periods of time. Astrophysicists have long believed that these rays, even from real objects like the sun, are very slow, changing over millions of years. Supernova explosions are distinctive cosmic signals marking the passage of the largest star in the universe. These stars have mass many times greater than the sun and undergo rapid and destructive changes near their lifetimes. Eruptions can last for months and can be seen from hundreds of millions of light years away. This may seem counterintuitive given what we know about stars, but a team of astronomers analyzed data from years of observation to try to determine whether the seemingly impossible actually happens. It's the mission of EarthStar crew to search for the elusive object. Batteries fell from the Scandinavian Institute of Theoretical Physics in Sweden said that Vasco is a project that disappeared and emerged as a result of 100 years of observations. As long as we have the data, you can focus on the bigger picture by focusing on it with a telescope to find a star that has remained big in the sky for as long as we can remember and then one day disappear. Okay, Big Bang Theory hasn't and still look for the answer of this event. Over 700 trillion stars suddenly vanished. On the other hand, this case is really very important for Cloud and Rain Model Universe. Even Cloud and Rain Model Universe has waited for this case since it is declared. This event, over 700 trillion stars suddenly vanished, has equality pattern with the rain on our Earth. Although there is still one point, we still don't get yet where is the direction of those stars heading. Yes, Cloud and Rain Model Universe expect that those over 700 trillion stars headed for southern constellations Centaurus and Hydra. And if that is the case, it is complete that the case is harmonious with the rain on our Earth. Thank you friends, see you on the next articles.